And today's how-to video is how to reset the admin user password. Zmanda Enterprise is one of the products of Zmanda. It facilitates the backup of file systems, databases, and applications. It is essential that the Zmanda Management Console user has admin credentials to use the Zmanda Enterprise. The definition of administrator access, it is a level of access above that of a normal user. Zmanda Management Console is a web application that supports Zmanda Enterprise on the latest versions of Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome. This video will help you reset the admin user for Zmanda Management Console. In this case, we've forgotten the password. There's a link down here that says can't access your account. And by pressing that, it brings up this page, which allows you to create and email a new password. Enter your username and a new password will be assigned to your account. It'll be emailed to you by pressing this button here. Alternatively, if you don't have email access or don't remember the account that was set up when Zmanda was installed, there's also a method to do it from the command line. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and log into this server. Enter the password. And there's a shell that is at opt Zmanda Amanda bin reset admin password. And just go ahead and execute that. It'll confirm it by yes. And now the admin password has been reset to the default of admin. And now we know our password is admin. And we can log in. And that'll do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.